In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set deadlines in Basecamp. Let's get started. First, open your Basecamp dashboard and select the project where you want to add a deadline. Make sure you're in the correct project so your schedule stays accurate and organized. Once inside the project, go to the Schedule section. This is where all dates, events, and deadlines are managed in Basecamp. Next, click Add an Event. This is the option you use to create any new scheduled item, including deadlines. Now, enter the event details. Start with a clear title that describes the task or milestone, such as Design Final Submission or Client Review Deadline. Then choose the correct date. If needed, also set a specific time so everyone knows exactly when it's due. If your deadline has extra context, add it in the Details section. You can include instructions, requirements, or links that help your team understand what needs to be delivered. You can also attach files if needed. Once everything is filled in, review the information to make sure it's accurate and clear. Finally, click Save. Your deadline will now appear in the project schedule and be visible to everyone involved. And that's it. You've successfully set a deadline in Basecamp. This helps keep your team on track, improves accountability, and ensures nothing gets missed in your project timeline.